massive Toyota Tundra Mod unboxing. Any guesses as to what it is? Well, good morning everybody, and welcome back to Rob Motive FST. And I have a massive Toyota Tundra Mod unboxing to do. And this thing is big, and it is beefy. It's kind of heavy, heavier than I thought it would be. Real quick, want to make a note here. Shipping looks pretty good on it. It's pretty clean everywhere, except for this was like this when it arrived. This was still shut, so I don't think anything could have fallen out. I hope not. So let's lay this thing down. It opens this way, I think, and we're going to do some unboxing. See if I can lay it down without collapsing my table. I don't know what this table I have is rated weight-wise, but I often worry if I'm exceeding it. And by the way, I will put a screenshot of the part number and stuff at the end of the video if you're interested in this, once you see what it is. So let's point you down here. Let's take a look and see what this is. It is massive, I'll say that. I do like that they strapped it. A lot of places probably wouldn't, but they seem to do a good job as far as that goes. Now, I think on this end, let's see, we have a little tape, but we have a lot of staples. But ouch. Staples are made to be pulled, hopefully not stabbing yourself in the finger with one like, you know, I just did, but hey, it's the way it goes. All right, let's see what we've got. Okay, we have some packaging on top, it looks like. Not exactly sure. Well, first of all, we have some rails. Let me go ahead and I'll actually tell you what it is. I won't make you wait any longer. It is a tonneau cover for the Tundra. It is a metal, aluminum tonneau cover. I didn't want vinyl or cloth or anything else. It is a trifold. I've never done one of these before like this, so it's going to be new for me. We'll see. Anyway, let's continue the unboxing. Looks like we have rails. And this one, by the way, does have a strut so that you can lean it up and it'll stay up with this strut. So that should be pretty handy. Now, the big question is, where in the heck do I lay all these parts? All right, we'll just sit it back here behind you guys on my pile of other Tundra parts that I have waiting. Okay, let's carry on. I want to try to open this the way. Okay, this is actually covering a foam insert. Here's the other rail. You guys can see here, so far so good. I don't see anything damaged. That's a good thing. I'll set that rail back here behind you guys as well. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. That'd be a bummer. Okay, now, go ahead and lift this out. There are no other parts in here, I hope. That's why you don't throw anything away until you're done, right? So we'll get that out of the way. And we have the tonneau cover itself in here. And then we have a whole bunch of, looks like hardware with an install sheet. Set that aside. And then the tonneau cover itself is right down here. Let's see, I don't know how I want to lift this out. I think what I'm going to do is cut the plastic all the way down so I can lift it out without having to deal with plastic. Okay, we've got it all opened up, and I do believe I have damage right there. Now, this is on the inside of the unit. If it were on the outside, I would return it, to be quite honest. But since it's on the inside, you're never going to see it. And frankly, I don't want to screw with sending it back. So I don't know how that happened, but full disclosure, there you go. There is some damage. I don't know if there's damage anywhere else. We'll see as we go along, I suppose. And I may actually inspect it a little closer since we have this off camera. But we'll come back on and do some more unboxing in just a minute. Alright, I did go ahead and check the rest of the tonneau cover to make sure that there were no other imperfections in it. Specifically on the outside that you could see. I didn't see any other imperfections anywhere, just that dimple down there. It's too bad. You'd have thought they'd have seen that when they were putting it in the box. That to me looks like something that happened before they actually shipped it out. But hey, quality control. This does come from BAKFlip, by the way. So BAKFlip, quality control. Anyway, it does come with instructions. Looks relatively complicated, to be honest. Again, I've only done the kind in the past where you just kind of throw them on, bolt them down, or whatever, and that's it. This has side rails, drains, of course the struts that go up and down. A little bit more complicated than what I've done, so it should be a fun install. There are 23 steps to getting this to go ahead and put on, so again, much more than I've done before. Anyway, I just wanted to get on, do the unboxing with you guys, let you see this massive Toyota Tundra Mod, at least the unboxing of it anyway. I will be doing an install video, of course. It probably will be relatively lengthy. We shall see. Maybe it will actually go together quicker than I'm anticipating, but looking at it, I doubt it. I'm guessing this is probably I don't know, 1 to 2 hour long job, something like that. I don't see anything here that tells me how long it should take, so I'm not quite sure. One other thing I want to mention, it does come with a warranty, either 3 or 5 years, depending on which version you get. Again, right after the video, there'll be a little screen print or whatever, a picture of the label that's on the box in case you're interested in checking this out. Anyway, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Would you have sent it back with that little dimple down there? I'd be curious to know. Also, real quick, I do have 2 additional channels. Rob Motive, all about my 2020 Toyota Tacoma. And Rob Motive JT, about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Check them out, and if you're interested, why not subscribe? Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos like the install of this thing. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.